Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Simple pendulums with different masses can be tricky, but we will solve this physics problem fast by looking at the period and speed formulas. First, look at the period formula for a simple pendulum. It only depends on the length and gravity. Since both lengths are equal, the periods must be exactly the same here. Next, we check the maximum speed using energy conservation. The mass actually cancels out when you set potential energy equal to kinetic energy, so mass does not change the final speed. Since both the period and the maximum speed are independent of mass, they remain equal for both pendulums. That makes option A our final winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and trust the given formulas to find the right answer.